Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. It's Lindsay here with another unboxing. I just finished opening the Coach box that you watched on Monday. Make sure you go back and check that video out if you missed it. Like I mentioned during that video, I was going to open a fun box for tonight. And this one does have a lot of weight to it, and my last fun box was really good. So I was excited to open up another one. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller. I sell here on YouTube and also Poshmark, and I've gotten back into selling on the Real as well. I do post mystery unboxing videos on Mondays and Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. If you do like that type of content, I would love to have you subscribe. I will be offering items for sale throughout the unboxing. I'll most likely be putting prices on the screen, so keep an eye out for that. If there's anything that you're interested in purchasing, please send me an email. I do need your mailing address if you've never bought from me before, so I can get you out a PayPal invoice. So let me go ahead and get this open and see if there's an invoice. I think this one actually just arrived today, so I think it is a newer one. And yeah, this one I did order just this past week, and they run $34 plus tax and $9.99 shipping. And you do get 10 to 12 items usually, but sometimes they send more. And on the first glance, this looks like a kind of winter box, but very organized and nicely curated. And I am seeing some good items in here. So here is a first look at the box. And it looks like those gloves are brand new with the Michael Kors tag. So I can't wait to see what's in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take a thumbnail and then we'll get started. All right, so yeah, definitely like some hats in here, gloves, and there's a throw blanket, but it's really nicely folded and organized. So first up, we do have a selection of hats, and these usually count for one item. We have a White Claw hard seltzer hat. That is super cute. I don't see any branding on that, so it could have been just a promotional item. You know, maybe if you purchase some of the seltzers. But it looks to be in good condition. We'll do $5 on that one. And then we have this really nice beanie here from Crater Lake. And this does feel like wool. It is navy blue with the multicolor primary color stripes. And no, this is 100% acrylic, but it does feel nice. So I'm gonna look that one up and I'll put a price on the screen for that one. And then also a bundle deal if you want both hats. So that's a good start. And we do have these mittens, knit mittens by Michael Kors. Michael by Michael Kors. They were originally $48. And they're a beautiful taupe color. And then they do have the fuchsia pink and then the Michael Kors hardware. And they look to be kind of on the smaller side, but they are stretchy. So, I mean, they fit nicely. My hands are, you know, average. They're not real small, but not big either. And maybe just kind of an area there that might need to be pushed back through, but it's not a hole. So those are great. They would make a nice present. And our next item is this beautiful plaid throw. I love the colorway on that. It's like a burgundy and tan, and then like a fuchsia as well. This is Ronin plaid throw. And this is from Pottery Barn, and originally $39. And it looks like it does have a tassel fringe in the purple color that you can see through there. So that's great. Let's do 15 on that one as well. That's a really nice housewarming gift or just to keep for yourself. And here's another look. I'm not sure what's so heavy in here, but there's still quite a bit of weight to this box. We do have some socks. These are World's Softest, and they are very soft. They're nice pastel colors. These are the weekend collection, and the price is crossed out, so it might have been a gift for somebody, but they're really soft, designed in Tennessee, made in Korea. We'll do $5 on those. And we do have a couple more pair of socks, and we do have some nice Eddie Bauer crew socks, women's. These were originally $10, in a nice kind of almost like an Aztec kind of print. And then our last pair are Cole Haan, and those are kind of like a marled color, a blue. So I guess we'll just do a price for all of the socks. So those are really nice. And our next item is a packing cube. And this does have a brand on the zipper pull, but I'm not sure what it is. And there are some more cubes in here. These are definitely on the smaller side. So you have this one with like a llama, I guess, on it. And then, okay, so this is Cotopaxi, which is a really good brand. And I'm not sure what exactly this is for, but you can put stuff in it and then I guess cinch it closed. So that might be a good organizer in your suitcase to put shoes in, possibly. And then I'm not sure if this case is Cotopaxi or not. I'm thinking it's not. So there's actually two of them. There's a larger one, and then the mesh top that you can see into. And then this one is fully closed. So I will look up that brand and put some prices on the screen for those. So I'll sell these two together and then both of the Cotopaxis together, I guess. So that's a really good item. There's still a lot in here. Next up, we do have some insoles. And these are cushion shoe insoles, extra shock absorbent with magnetic placements. They're a small medium. They fit a women's 5 to 10 or a men's 5.5 through 8. And they're brand new and sealed, and maybe just a brand that you get on Amazon. I'm not familiar with this, but we'll do $5 on the insoles. Those are always good to have around. And really cool. So we got a book in here, and we got a couple pieces of jewelry. And we do have this red knit bracelet with the adjustable cord. I forget what the meaning of these bracelets are, but it does have, you know, some kind of meaning. And then it's like an evil eye, and then it's surrounded by rhinestones, and it's rose gold. But I don't see any branding on that one. We'll do $3 on the bracelet. And then we do have some chakra healing stone earrings. And this is really cute. It comes with 2 stones. This is the other stone that it comes with. I'm going to put all that back in the plastic. And then you get the hoop earrings with the different gemstones. So that is so cool. This one was also crossed out for a retail price. We'll do the stones and the earrings. We'll do $5 on those. So you get that crystal and this one and the earrings. We'll do $5 for all of that. I am really liking this box. And then look at this. We have a book. And this is really nice. It is a crystal collection. Understand the messages of 101 essential crystals. And this was originally $22. And it looks brand new. So that is awesome. Definitely something that you could display, and it's really in very nice condition. Just a little bit of kind of corner wear there. Let's do $10 on the book if anybody wants that. And we still have more to go here. I believe these are a pair of glasses. I am going to have to be on my A game to count a box with this many items in it because I always lose count. And these look like they could be blue light glasses. They are really funky. They do not have marking on them. I don't see any branding, but they are super unique. Kind of, you know, just the lens in there. And it looks like they're in good condition. There's maybe just a minor scratch or two, but they are super unique. I'm not sure if they're blue light glasses, but they appear to be. So those are nice and in good condition. And I just want to make sure those get wrapped up good. And next up we have, I guess a bodysuit. I don't know if this would be, I guess it's not sleepwear, so I guess like a going out bodysuit. It is an olive green mesh, and then you have the beautiful embroidery on it, and it's a long sleeve. It does have a thong back, and then you do have the snap closure at the bottom. This is by Fashion Nova, originally $23. It's the Downtown Girl bodysuit in olive, and it's an extra small. So this is really, really cute. Let's do $10 on that one for the bodysuit. And our last item is this tote. And that would actually go really nice with the Eddie Bauer socks. It is kind of like an Aztec print and a very soft canvas. And it looks to be pretty well brand new. And there are a couple other bags in here, I think. So I'm going to take those out. The first one, it just says 100% cotton, made in India. But this is really nice. And then we have this really cute little top handle bag with the embroidered bird on it. And that is so cute. And this one I don't see any branding or anything on. It's super lightweight. We'll do $4 on that. And then the last one is this kind of shoulder bag with the vibrant print. It is like a dark denim. And then I don't know if somebody made this or if it does have a brand. There's a few loose strings. It has a Velcro closure, and it does come with a tag. This was made in Zambia. So it might have been purchased at a boutique or something. There is a slip pocket inside. So really cute. So we'll do $5 on that one. So that was technically 3 items. And that was the last part of the box. So that was technically 3. And then we had the earrings and crystals for number 4. Number 5, we had the bracelet. Number 6, I guess we'll count for 6 the 2 Cotopaxi items for packing. Number 7, we had the other 2 packing cubes. Number 8, 9, number 8, 9, and 10 were the 3 pairs of socks. Number 11, we had the Michael Kors mittens. Number 12 and 13, we had the beanies. Number 14, we had the awesome plaid throw. I believe we're on 15. We had the really cute bodysuit. 16, we had the glasses. 17, we had the crystal book. And then our last item were the insoles. So I can't believe how much was in this box. It was really well curated, like I said. My favorite items were probably the plaid throw and the Michael Kors mittens. But a really nice variety, and this book coupled with the earrings would make such a nice gift. So really a nice variety on this one, and I think I can definitely make a little bit of a profit. I do enjoy opening these. Some are definitely better than others. I don't think this one has as much monetary value as my last one. But everything's in good shape, and I really enjoyed opening it. So I do tend to pick these up when they come available. I'm going to start probably ordering, one every time they restock, just to have some kind of filler content for my channel. These items are really easy to list and makes the video easy for me to edit. So when I don't have as much time on my hands, these are really nice to open. I appreciate you watching today. I hope that you have a wonderful weekend, and I'm going to try to be back with some jewelry for Monday's video, but I will be back with something, but the plan is jewelry. So take care, and I will see you back then.